In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube shorts in Clipchamp. Now I'm going to demonstrate with this short here, so we'll take a look at it.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
So this is a very simple 3 or 4 second short with a quote. It has subtitles, it has text to speech, and it has a free video in the background. Now this video is going to cover all of those elements, so if you want to learn the basics to YouTube Shorts with all of those features, then stay until the end of the video. So what we first need to do is go to clipchamp.com. So once you go to clipchamp.com, you can log in with a Google account. Then you want to go ahead and create a new video from scratch. I recommend you start from scratch because when you create from scratch, you can add the features that you want and you can really edit the short however you'd like. So now what we need to do is first drop some media into Clipchamp. Now, if you don't have any media and you want to create some shorts from royalty-free images, I recommend you go to a website like Pexels, and here you can search for whatever you want. So city, say you want to make one of those motivational shorts, and you can see you've got videos of cities here. So maybe we'll download this video here of a time lapse of a motorway. So we're going to go ahead and download this, and this is just going to download to the computer's downloads folder. And now what we can do is go back to Clipchamp and we can go ahead and import this. So you want to go and find this video, open the folder, and then drag it into Clipchamp. Once it's in Clipchamp, you can then drag it onto your timeline, and you can see here is the video. Now what we first want to do is make it so the dimensions of this video match the dimensions of a YouTube short. So if you go up to the top right hand corner, you can then change it to 9:16, and that's going to be the YouTube short dimensions. You can then click on your clip, and then if you stretch it out here, you can resize it, right? And then we can center it. So this is going to be the background. So now we want, let's say, a quote or some text, and we can add subtitles to that text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a quote from the inspirational quotes. So I've just done a Google search for inspirational quotes, and I'm going to copy this one here by Walt Disney. If you can dream it, you can do it. So once I copy that, I can then go to my text-to-speech website, which is 100% free, and this website's called voicemaker.in. What you can do there is you can paste in your text or your quote. You can then scroll down and choose a voice, convert to speech.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
So that's what it sounds like, and then if you're happy with that, you can download this as an MP3 file, and there we go. So now going back to Clipchamp again, we now want to add in our voice. So go to your downloads and drag in the voiceover. So there it is. We're going to drag this down here onto the timeline. So now let's play this.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
If you can dream it, you can do it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this clip here to match the size of our text. So it's only going to be a couple of seconds.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
Okay, so that looks good to me. Now we need to go ahead and add some subtitles. Subtitles are really important for YouTube Shorts because they need to be visual and catch people's attention. So go to text here on the left, and you can add any of these text elements here. Now I like to just add a plain text. So if you click on it and drag it on top. Now add your text. So if you can dream it, then we can move this up here. And if you go ahead and click on your text and you go to text here on the right, you can change the font and the style of this text and the color. But anyway, we'll focus our attention down here on the timeline for right now. So I'm going to actually zoom in because this is kind of small, right? And I'm now going to crop where this text starts, and we'll put it to the start of the clip.
If you can dream it.
If you can dream it, I'm going to stop that and then get this text to disappear. Then I can right click, copy on this text, right click again and then paste. We can then get that same text, but we can edit it. So here, let's have a look.
If you can dream it.
If you can dream it, then we'll edit this text. You can do it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and play this.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
And there we go. That's pretty good if you ask me. That's basically all of the features, the simple features you're going to need to make a YouTube short in Clipchamp. Then once you want to export your clip, you go to export in the top right hand corner, and actually make sure that you delete this gap. Right, so once you've deleted that gap, so your clip starts at 0 if you don't have the premium version, so export as 1080p. Then it's going to render this video, and then you can just go ahead and save it. So there you go, it's downloaded to your computer, and then here is our finished video.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
And there you go. That's how you do it. Any questions, put them in the comment section below.